and thanks for joining this segment of East Coast Weather Association. I'm meteorologist Mike Griffith here, and looking at the water vapor imagery across much of the eastern part of the United States. Lots of moisture streaming in from the tropics across Mexico and the Gulf of Mexico. Many showers and thunderstorms and instability across the southeast in the days ahead. It just started getting cloudy out this afternoon and this evening, and I was talking to a local coffee shop owner here in South Charlotte, Fabo, F-A-B-O. If you're in Charlotte, hit that place up for great coffee and craft beers and all that. Of course, if you're under 21, ignore the fact that I just said beer. But you can go there for great coffee in South Charlotte. Fabo, F-A-B-O, in the Quail Corner Shopping Center. I was talking to the owner, and I was telling her that this weekend is going to be a washout here across much of the East Coast. So plan for a lot of rain and a lot of instability, even some severe weather, although that threat is currently dwindling and vaporizing away. But we're going to be looking at a lot of rain and a lot of flooding threats. Let's take a quick look here at the GFS and what can we expect this week. And there is a piece of energy out here in the central part of the country that will swing eastward and combine with all this moisture coming up from the Gulf of Mexico and cause numerous showers and thunderstorms across the region, which are going to become more numerous by sunrise Friday across Charlotte. Wet morning commute across the Carolinas and even into up in the central Virginia, although later in the day is when we're going to probably see showers and thunderstorms there, or even maybe around lunchtime at the earliest, and that system pulls away. It's still very warm here in the East Coast. Not a lot of cold to work with as far as snow. Everything is going to be rain. Here comes the next piece of energy, swinging south and digging pretty deep here. I can't talk today. And by Sunday, looking like just a lot of showers and thunderstorms here. There still could be a severe threat, but we're not really looking at too much of one here, as this wave is going to be potent, but not as potent as we first expected it to be. And that system moves out by Monday morning. Still some remaining showers and storms across the area, maybe even some mountain snows in West North Carolina, although only in the highest elevations. Rain up here in New York as we head into early Tuesday morning, and looks like it just nothing falls in the form of snow through the 26th, through next week, and then looks like some lake effect up here in Pennsylvania and New York State, even up into western New England. Lake effect is going to be the story as we go into this time next week. A lot colder across much of the country here, and this cold looks like it's going to spill into the southeast here as we head into the 26th, and that pretty much is the big idea right now. More on the longer range for members coming up. Some good news if you like snow. If you don't like snow, we're going to give you notifications as a heads up that it will be affecting your business. But anyway, just looking like a much more favorable pattern later this month, especially to kick off February. So we're remaining optimistic about that. Thanks a lot for watching this segment. Have a great day.